Hey guys, here is a quick review of the Civivi Praxis. This is probably my favorite, or one of my favorite, Civivi budget knives. This is the OD green with the black stone-washed blade, still in 9CR18 MOV, which you can see it in very tiny writing right there. It's got a nice wide blade with a swedge. It's kind of this leaf shape to it. A really long flat grind, which leads to a very nice thin behind the edge primary grind. They did a great job with the finishing on this. Quality control is great. Nice even grind all the way on both sides. Came nice and sharp. The G10 handle scales are nicely finished. They're chamfered on the sides to make them a little more comfortable. It's got tip-up carry, both right or left, and that pocket clip has the screws recessed, so that just makes it a lot easier to get in and out of the pocket. It's one less thing to catch on. The liners are radiused and also have lightning holes in them to make it just a little lighter for a larger knife. It's got a 3.5-inch blade, so every little bit helps in that regard. The handle is very comfortable. I have extra large hands, and you can see I have plenty of space left there. And these finger cutouts, the finger grooves, are not overbearing. You can kind of, if you're doing a lever cut, I have this pressed into my palm, my knuckles, and I'm not feeling that at all. So I think it's just the right amount of those, and it's a very comfortable knife in hand. The bearing pivot is super smooth. I've been really happy with the action on all the Praxis knives that I've handled. So really, it's just a pleasure to use and to carry. And this would be one of my highest recommendations for a budget knife, especially a Civivi. This black stonewash, the action of the pivot, the grind of the blade itself is very useful for everyday cutting. Great pocket clip design, very comfortable in hand. It's just a great budget option.